I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, oh, it's your turn.
Hey friends, what's up? I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe our channels if you've not done yet.
Saion Gupta,
Saion Gupta and 10x Coder Kids.
So without any delay, let's get started. And today we have another unboxing video where we are gonna unbox our expansion board for our Raspberry Pi GPIO pins. So today we are gonna unbox the expansion board for our GPIO pins on our Raspberry Pi. So without any delay,
Let's get started.
Damn!
Ow! Oh man! Okay, so I'm gonna just snippy snip snip. I'm gonna do snippy snip snip, baby.
Okay, snip that, snap that.
Snip snap snap.
Snappy. Oh, there's
Ooh,
a cardboard.
this looks cool.
Okay, let me show it through the viewers first.
Alright.
Then I'll give you to unbox it because you love it.
Yeah, it's my style, baby. Because I don't know about this literally, and he's gonna speak the whole lot.
So this is a slip, and then this
There
is a
you go.
box.
Okay,
So
wait.
this box is not damaged. It is in perfect condition over here. Just it is bent a little bit, and that's all right.
Yeah, alright, let me.
And then let's open it.
Wow, it's Rainbow Beauty!
Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is not damaged at all, right? This is all okay right now over here.
Yeah,
There's
and
nothing else.
yeah, so this was the boxy box, right? What's it?
And this is our expansion board over here, guys. This one end will be connected to our Raspberry Pi. Its one end will be connected to our Raspberry Pi and the other to our breadboard. And basically we can use the 40 pins that are there on it as our GPIO pins that are there on our Raspberry Pi. So we don't need to go to the Raspberry Pi to connect any external hardware with our GPIO pins. And this is the cable. Can you please concentrate to the video? And this is the cable from which we will connect our Raspberry Pi and this together, and this with our breadboard also, right? So
I just
let's
love
open
how it looks, rainbow kind
Yeah.
of. Wow.
looks
Is
so
this
cool.
for something like for the light kind of turning on? Is that something use on that? Come on, let me do it, please.
Let me do this part. Okay, so we don't have to hold the pins directly. We can't.
Yeah, we have to hold it from the side, otherwise
Yeah.
the pins can be damaged.
So over here, this is it. There are 40 pins. No pin is bent over here. That's quite cool. That's quite
Very
good.
nice.
And this
Very
is
nice.
the end where our cable will be connected, right?
One thing you're missing, man.
And over here on the back of it, there is written that what pin it is, like we know on our Raspberry Pi. So this is the 3v3 pin.
Show them as well.
So it is written what pin about each pin, what that pin is.
Actually, I have a question.
Yeah, ask.
Like, how will this be connected from that?
Okay, so over here you can see over here where this cable will be connected. So you can see that these
Yeah,
both
they
are
are-
very alike, right?
Yeah, like there's lots of pins.
Yeah, so this from one end it will be connected like this, and from the other end it will be connected
Where?
to a Raspberry Pi.
Alright. Look.
So one
These are
end,
the pins?
one end, this end will be connected with this expansion board over here, and this other end will be connected to
With
our
the
Raspberry Pi. So
Oh my god. What happened? You can see that on your own.
okay, so this was it, guys, for the unboxing. There's nothing damaged over here.
Yeah, so
This-
let's just show them, the box, and for more details. So like this is the box in which it came. As you can see, it's written, I was created to create. Oh yeah!
I was created to create.
And over here are just thank you messages, which I hate. I don't know why. And this was the wrapping kind of, look, as you can see, right? And this is the back. So that was our
Expansion board for our GPIO pins that are on our Raspberry Pi.
and this was
To connect this with our Raspberry Pi.
alright. So before we end the video, can you tell me what is the use of that?
This is used so that we don't have to go again and we may damage the Raspberry Pi when you are connecting some external hardware and every time making changes over there only. You may
Yeah.
drop it, you may hold a pin very harshly and then it may bend, right, and forever. So this over here will keep our main GPIO pins that are there on our Raspberry Pi safe, and we can on this expansion board work over here.
Oh my god.
Can you please? Okay,
Yeah.
so this was the
our
unboxing for the video, guys.
Oh wait, we didn't show them this.
Okay, this is just a
Important
slip.
stuff.
This is just a slip. I can't read anything.
I can, but it's alright.
So thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you.
Do comment down below, like and subscribe our channel.
Yes, do comment down below and subscribe to our channels. Saion Gupta,
Sayasmi
Gupta,
Side
10x Coder Kit.
He's the most handsome person of the world.
Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching our videos. Damn.
3, 2, 1 and count. Now.